We got going on. So just taking a look at the charts. August 1st, tomorrow, TradingView is having their competition. We look here. We got nothing here. There we go. This is that was July 6th. That's not helpful. Where is today? Was that one? Oh, I was on the right one. So yeah, there we go. August 1st. Trading 7 different pairs. I'm already signed up. I already have the charts laid out. So they are listed here for the, actually that's named wrong. There we go. They are the pairs. I actually need to figure out what their sizes are, but I am only going to be doing 2 candle on whatever time frame. I'm not sure if I'm going for the hourly or the 4-hour, maybe the daily, probably not. Some of these pairs, I don't know, like gold you can do, silver you can do, but these ones might close at certain periods of time, and I don't exactly know what time those are. So I might have to just play that by ear. But originally, I believe it's for the entire month of August. 30 days competing, practicing, learning. It's going to be great. So I'm just going to do 2 candle. So basically, if candle's bearish, I'm expecting the next candle to be bearish. I'm going to put a stop above the previous candle. So just a little bit above there. And I'll probably just target let's do a 1 to 1.25. That way I win a little bit more than I lose. It should be about 50%. So all in all, it should be a little bit profitable. But this is just to see how simple it is. The idea being a lot of it is going to come down to risk management, how you handle your particular trades, and just the intuition you'll build along the way, the experience that you'll build that'll basically tell your gut whether or not what you see, if that's going to dictate whether or not you take a buy or sell or you stay out of the market completely. And so, I'm not going to try to read any candle patterns. I'm not going to try to read the market as far as like support and resistance, trend lines, anything like that. I'm just going to strictly do if the previous candle was bullish, then I'm going to go bullish. If the previous candle is bearish, I'm going to go bearish. The only caveat to that I might do is something like these small bodied candles with wide wicks on either side. I might ignore that. That might be times to stay out of the market. I have to play that one by ear. We'll see how everything goes. But basically, I'm going to record each and every time I take a trade and then see how it plays out. And so that'll be the basis of the entire month of August. I'll do that for the challenge, and then I'll do other stuff for my other trading strategies that I've been doing.